Have you ever heard of a plant so powerful it's been cherished for thousands of years? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Astragalus. Astragalus, also known by its Chinese name Huang Qi, meaning yellow leader, is a true giant in the realm of natural medicine. It's a perennial plant, primarily its root, that has been a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, for centuries. Astragalus membranaceus is the most commonly used species for medicinal purposes. The plant itself is a member of the legume family, surprisingly related to peas and beans. But it's the root, harvested from plants that are typically 4 to 7 years old, that holds the remarkable array of health-boosting compounds. This humble root has journeyed through time, its reputation for healing and strengthening growing with each passing generation. The magic of Astragalus lies in its ability to work with your body. It's what we call an adaptogen. This means it helps your body adapt to stress, whether it's physical, mental, or emotional. From boosting our immune systems to supporting heart health and even playing a role in managing chronic conditions, Astragalus offers a natural path to enhanced well-being. Get ready to unlock the power of this amazing herb. What makes Astragalus so special? The secret lies deep within its roots. These roots are packed with a unique combination of active compounds. Scientists have identified several key players, including saponins, flavonoids, and polysaccharides. The saponins in Astragalus, particularly a group called astragalusides, are perhaps its most famous components. Astragaluside 4, for example, has been extensively studied for its potent immune-regulating and anti-aging effects. These saponins can help protect your cells from damage and support cardiovascular health. Then we have the flavonoids, powerful antioxidants found in many plants, and Astragalus is rich in them. Antioxidants are your body's defense against free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to inflammation and chronic diseases. The flavonoids in Astragalus help to neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting your cells and tissues. Finally, the polysaccharides in Astragalus play a critical role, especially in immune function. Specific polysaccharides found in Astragalus, like astragalus, have been shown to enhance immune responses. They can stimulate the activity of various immune cells, including macrophages and T cells. These compounds also exhibit antiviral and antibacterial properties, providing a broad spectrum of protection. These three groups of compounds, working in harmony, make Astragalus a true super herb. Think of them as a team of specialists, all working towards the goal of your optimal health. This synergy is what makes Astragalus a holistic healer. When we talk about cancer, it's crucial to be clear. Astragalus is not a standalone cure for cancer, but it can be a powerful supportive therapy. It may help patients undergoing treatments like chemotherapy. Its primary role is boosting the immune system. Cancer and its treatments can weaken immunity. Astragalus can help counteract this. It may enhance the effectiveness of cancer therapies. Some studies suggest it increases sensitivity to chemotherapy. This could allow for lower doses, reducing side effects. Astragalus stimulates immune cells like T cells and NK cells. It can improve the quality of life for cancer patients. Chemotherapy often brings side effects like fatigue and nausea. Astragalus may help alleviate these side effects. It might reduce nausea and protect bone marrow, leading to better blood cell counts. Compounds like saponins and polysaccharides are responsible. They may inhibit tumor growth and promote apoptosis. Astragalus should be used under professional guidance. It's a supportive player, not the sole solution, but its potential is promising. Feeling like you're always catching the latest bug going around? Astragalus might just become your best friend. This incredible herb is renowned for its ability to fortify your body's natural defenses. It is particularly effective in preventing common colds and upper respiratory infections. Its power lies in its deep-acting immune-boosting properties. It doesn't just fight symptoms, it strengthens your core resilience. How does Astragalus achieve this? It works by enhancing the activity of your immune cells. Specifically, it can increase the production and effectiveness of white blood cells, including macrophages and T cells. When your immune cells are more numerous and more active, your body is better equipped to identify and neutralize invading viruses and bacteria before they can take hold. Astragalus also possesses direct antiviral properties. Certain compounds within the root have been shown to inhibit the replication of various viruses, including some responsible for the common cold and flu. Regular use, particularly leading up to and during peak infection times, can be very beneficial. Furthermore, astragalus is known to support overall respiratory health. It can help strengthen the lining of your respiratory tract, making it more resistant to infections. By taking astragalus, you are not just warding off acute infections, but also investing in the long-term health and resilience of your entire respiratory system. Astragalus and the quest for balanced blood sugar. Managing blood sugar is critical for millions worldwide. Astragalus is emerging as a promising natural agent. Its traditional use hinted at its potential. Modern research is now understanding these benefits. Astragalus may help by improving insulin sensitivity. Studies suggest it enhances the body's response to insulin. Astragalus may help protect against diabetic complications. Supporting overall metabolic health, astragalus offers a comprehensive approach. Finding calm astragalus for healthy blood pressure levels. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a silent threat to cardiovascular health. Astragalus has been traditionally used for heart health, and modern studies are exploring its potential benefits. It helps relax blood vessels and reduce the workload on the heart. Astragalus may help lower blood pressure through its vasodilating effects. Its stress-reducing qualities can indirectly benefit blood pressure. By supporting cardiovascular wellness, astragalus offers a holistic approach to managing blood pressure. How astragalus protects this vital organ. Your liver performs hundreds of essential functions daily. It's susceptible to damage from toxins, viruses, and alcohol. Astragalus supports liver health, validated by modern research. Its antioxidant properties protect the liver. Astragalus reduces oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. It supports the liver's detoxification pathways. Studies show astragalus aids in liver recovery and reduces inflammation. By supporting healing, astragalus helps restore liver health. Clean arteries, happy heart. Astragalus and cholesterol control. High cholesterol levels, particularly elevated LDL or bad cholesterol, are a major risk factor for heart disease. Cholesterol can build up in the arteries, forming plaques, which narrow the arteries and restrict blood flow. Astragalus is gaining attention for its potential role in cholesterol management. Research suggests that astragalus may help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Certain compounds in astragalus might interfere with cholesterol absorption in the intestines and enhance the liver's ability to clear LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream. Some studies also indicate that astragalus could have a modest effect on increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. The antioxidant properties of astragalus are also important in this context. LDL cholesterol becomes particularly harmful when it gets oxidized. The potent antioxidants in astragalus, such as flavonoids, can help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, making it less damaging to the arteries. By protecting LDL from oxidation, astragalus helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels. Beyond directly influencing cholesterol levels, astragalus supports overall arterial health. Its anti-inflammatory effects can reduce inflammation within the artery walls, another key driver of plaque buildup. While astragalus should not replace prescribed cholesterol-lowering medications if needed, it can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. It offers a natural boost for your cardiovascular system. Strengthening the core. Astragalus for enhanced heart function. A strong, healthy heart is the cornerstone of overall vitality. Astragalus has a long-standing reputation in traditional medicine as a heart tonic. Modern science is beginning to uncover how this ancient herb can support and improve heart function. Its benefits for the heart are multifaceted, ranging from strengthening the heart muscle to improving circulation and protecting heart tissue from damage. One of the ways astragalus may benefit heart function is by improving myocardial contractility. This refers to the force with which the heart muscle pumps blood. Some studies suggest that compounds in Astragalus can enhance the heart's pumping efficiency, ensuring that an adequate supply of oxygen-rich blood reaches all parts of the body. Astragalus also supports healthy circulation. It can help relax blood vessels, improving overall blood flow. Better circulation means that the heart itself receives a better supply of oxygen and nutrients. Furthermore, the powerful antioxidant effects of Astragalus are crucial for protecting heart tissue. The heart is a highly active organ and is susceptible to oxidative stress. The antioxidants in Astragalus help neutralize free radicals, protecting the heart muscle from this damage. This protective effect can be beneficial in preventing age-related decline in heart function. Astragalus truly acts as a friend to your heart. Bringing Astragalus home, practical ways to use this healing herb. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of Astragalus, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily life. Fortunately, this versatile herb is available in several convenient forms. You can find it as dried root slices, powder, tinctures, and capsules. The best form for you will depend on your preferences and health goals. One of the most traditional and enjoyable ways to use Astragalus is by making a tea. Simply simmer a few slices of dried Astragalus root in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can add other herbs like ginger or goji berries for extra flavor and benefits. Strain the tea and enjoy it warm. This is a wonderful way to extract its water-soluble compounds, particularly the polysaccharides. Drinking Astragalus tea regularly, especially during colder months, can be a great way to support your immune system. Astragalus root slices or powder can also be added to soups, stews, and broths. The herb has a mildly sweet and earthy flavor that blends well with savory dishes. Simply add it to your pot while cooking and allow it to simmer with the other ingredients. When it comes to dosage, it can vary depending on the form of Astragalus and the reason for use. It's always best to start with a lower dose and see how your body responds. A gentle reminder: knowledge for your journey, not a doctor's script. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is intended to empower you with knowledge about this ancient healing herb. It is not, however, a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the guidance of your doctor or another qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Astragalus is generally considered safe for most people when used appropriately. However, like any herb or supplement, it can have potential interactions or side effects in certain individuals. When choosing an Astragalus supplement, quality matters greatly. Look for products from reputable brands that use good manufacturing practices, and test their products for purity and potency. Investing in a high-quality product is investing in your health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health videos.